Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enable curl as well as disable it in cPanel, so let's get right into it. For this, I'll be using this forum page simply because I do not have a cPanel subscription, so this is what I'm going to be using to explain everything to you guys. Now, what you need to do to enable or disable, well, curl, you do need root access, so make sure you have it. But once you have root access to enable it, you need to log in, of course, to the web host manager as the root user. Then in the find box, just type in easy, then click easy Apache, which is Apache update, and then you can leave your existing defaults and then click start customizing based on the profile, then leave defaults and then click next step, leave defaults, next step, leave defaults, next step, then click exhaustive options list, and you can click on the curl options and then click save and build once you enable it through that, and that should be pretty much it. Now, during this entire process, cPanel does rebuild Apache and PHP with the selected options, and this should take some time to complete and it should not be interrupted, as it can lead to problems with your server if something does not initialize correctly. You might have corrupted directories and everything of the sort, and corrupted config files, which will of course create problems for your curl, and that is pretty much it. Now, before everything, you just need to make a PHP file to check if you already have curl, and in that PHP file, you should name it i.php or something of the sort, and then just paste this code over here. As you can see, PHP info, open and close parentheses and semicolon, and just open and close the PHP, of course, and that should tell you if curl is enabled or not. And that is pretty much it. Now, that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.